What's up, traders? So welcome to this short recap of the trades that we were taking for this particular week. So I just want to go through the setups and how they have played out during the week, starting from yesterday on Monday. So the first trade of the week was NZDUSD. So NZDUSD is what we had. We were looking at. So we were looking for price to come on 4-hour supply zone, which actually price did. And then we were looking to go to the lower time frame to look for confirmation for a sell, which we actually also got in here. So once the price broke this level change of character, so we got into on the mid of this swing from this point to this point, hoping that the price is gonna go lower and hit our take profit, which did not happen. So this tells you that you will not hit home runs on all particular trades. You will not hit take profit on all trades. But this does not mean that you should divert from your strategy or feel that your strategy is not working, especially if you have already tested your system and already know that it works and you have data to back it up. So now that is NZDUSD. So this is a screenshot that I had shared in the community group on Telegram. In case you're not in that particular community, make sure to join using the link below on the description. So this is the screenshot of before.
And have you heard all the Forex hype online? Flashy cars, false profits? Here, we are not about the hype. We are about the skill. Our training is real, practical, and beginner-friendly. We will train you how to analyze the market, risk management, and also how to grow your account step by step. You can visit us at Spar Mall, 2nd floor, S47, or give us a call on our number, which is in all our social media platforms, to book your slot and start your journey to financial freedom.
Of course, this trade hit our stop loss, and we gladly accepted it, without so much hesitation. Now, the second trade was GBPJPY. So remember, all these trades we had already actually analyzed them in the weekly market analysis video. So in case you need to revisit that weekly market analysis video just to check it in details, you're gonna find it on this particular YouTube channel. Make sure you can go and review these trades and all other trades that we had analyzed for the week. Now, this was GBPJPY. GBPJPY, we had already seen that price is already on a 4-hour. We were on a downtrend, bearish order flow. Why are we saying that the price was on a bearish order flow? Is because we had this change of character here. So once this move was happening, we knew that price was coming back to this 4-hour supply zone just to pick some orders there and sell off to these lows over here. So now what we did is we went to the higher time frame, which is in this case a 4-hour time frame, identified our area of point of reference, which is the 4-hour supply zone. Then I also switched to 15-minute time frame once price arrived on this particular zone. So on this particular zone, we are looking for when price is making higher highs and higher lows like this. Then we are looking for a change of character, and it happened once price broke this last higher low on this particular level here. So once we had that broken, then I was looking for a retracement of this move, and the first position I think I got into was here. So I broke the 8 into 2 positions, and again I also had another position I think up here. So now price was a little bit hesitant to move in the direction in our favor, and then as you can see, it was pretty bad, the price action here, until this move actually happened. Now at some point actually price was almost hitting even my take profit with I think 20 pips to go, but it did not. But that I did not also again panic, because I was quite sure that price will eventually go my way, and the plan was just to stick to my rules. Lucky enough, I also had not moved break even on this particular setup, so I was not stop out on this trade. So I just left the trade overnight to play out, and eventually the following day, that is on Tuesday today, we had this massive drop during the London session and also partly the New York session, and the price eventually hit my take profit. So had we held up held this trade for longer, I think we would be talking about a 1:3 risk reward ratio. This was a 1-to-1 trade because I had taken 2 positions which were broken down into 2. So this was at different levels, price levels actually. So we would be talking a 1:2 risk reward ratio, which is still very perfectly okay. Now this is let me just show you what we had. This is the setup. Remember, all these setups I'm usually sharing them in my Telegram community for free. I don't charge anything for anyone to be in that particular community, so make sure to join using the link below on the description. So this was the setup before, and of course this was the setup after the price hit the take profit. So that was a good and fantastic trade. Now the other trade was EURJPY. EURJPY, the same, almost a similar case scenario with GBPJPY. So this was a trade setup. Of course, I had already made an analysis on these particular setups on my YouTube channel. Make sure to check the full weekly market analysis that was done on Sunday, that you can be able to understand the full breakdown of these setups and others which have already played out even for the week. So on this particular setup, I was looking for price to come to the 4 supply zone, which eventually did. Then we go to the M15 for our confirmation entries, change of character here. So I was looking for a retracement into this particular FVG or slash the Fibonacci level, which is the 50% in this case. So and eventually price did that. So and once that happened, I had no hesitation to pull the trigger. So once I see my setup, I don't think twice, and especially if the setup meets all my criteria. So I was looking for a risk reward of 1:2. As you can see, the stop loss was even 55 pips and the take profit was 115. Some people might say that's a huge stop loss, blah blah blah, but I was putting my stop loss at a place whereby price will validate this particular setup if at all it reaches that point. So as you can see, the setup played out very nicely and smoothly, despite having this pretty bad consolidation prior. After making immediately, maybe a couple of hours after making the entry, but I was so certain that eventually price will go my way and the take profit is going to be hit. So I held the setup overnight, and this is what we eventually had once the price hit take profit. Had we held this trade for longer, then we'll be talking of a risk reward ratio of 1:4, which again would be very nice, but I just take what the market gives me. I'm not so I don't want to be greedy, because sometimes you target a higher risk reward ratio, but price reverses on you or ends up not hitting your take profit. So I was comfortable taking that 1:2 risk reward ratio, and price was able to hit that comfortably. So of course, this is a setup that I shared in the community just before when I was taking the setup, and this is the after. Actually, this particular setup we executed while we were on the weekly market analysis live session, which happens on Monday, 9 a.m. around 9:10 a.m. In the morning. Every Monday we do the weekly market analysis live, and you also get the recording of the same breakdown of the market that myself and my team we will be trading for the week. So this shows you guys that you have to be patient, you have to trust your system, and this it would be injustice if I did not show you the setups, the trades from MT4. So these are the particular trades that I took. So we had NZDUSD, which was the first loss, GBPJPY, which was broken down into 2 positions, and then EURJPY is also here, which was hit take profit very smoothly. So I think I might not be taking any more trades for the week, because tomorrow on Wednesday is NFP. Yes, tomorrow is NFP, in case you've not checked your calendar. So make sure to stay safe. And also on Friday we have CPI. So those are very high impact news in the Forex economic calendar. So make sure that you not get caught in the wrong direction by the market, or rather even the market moving to stop you out from your setup. So other than that, I hope that you guys learned something from this particular breakdown. I'll be dropping more of these videos. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment. If you guys have any questions, make sure to also, you can share them on the comment box below. Any videos that you'd like me to make in the future, you can also comment down below, so that I can be able to give you this powerful and valuable information. If you've not joined the Telegram community, make sure to use the link on the bio to join. And other than that, trade safe, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye. See you on the next one.